happened. My dog looked like she wanted my creamsicle I was eating, so I gave her half of it. Well, I ate half of it and I gave her the rest. She ate the freaking stick. I was literally holding it, and then I was holding it tight, and she ate the whole thing. I literally...
home because I have no gas right now, and if we don't get gas, we hope we get stuck.
Alright, I will. I'm not sharing this with anyone. I think the cussing makes it funny.
Yes, you.
Me?
So then I told her, hey,
The popper swallowed a popsicle stick. I just called you guys.
Oh no.
what's her name?
She was being gluttonous. And instead of taking a bite, ate the whole fucking thing.
Let's have her stand right here today.
Mostly men.
Oh, gotcha.
More.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Okay. Sit down. Listen, we wouldn't be here if you weren't a dumbass. Focus. Okay, it's okay. Be a nice girl. Ouch.
I don't know what to think of this, Mom.
Stevie, sit. I know. There's dogs in here. Sit down. Sit down. Focus. Stevie, focus.
Okay.
I don't think.
And it's soft and like nothing like crazy sharp around it. Or...
No, it was just a regular popsicle stick.
Okay.
It was a popsicle with a popsicle stick.
Oh.
Yeah. So the wooden stick is what I was concerned. Enjoyed it a little too much. But she might. Can you say hi? Wait, can you say hi? Come on, say hi.
And then we can induce vomiting, okay, to just see if we can get it out. Hopefully, I mean, I'm not really concerned about it, but sometimes when it's like...
You don't have to give me a Sharpie. I'll walk away with it.
She's just listening, chill. Relax. This is your fault.
Beautiful hot sauce.
Pulse too, okay. $100. Cool. So I'm just gonna work on estimate, okay? The estimate. Thank you.
You think you could lift your top lip?
Yeah.
To your gun color? Shall you put your thermometer?
Yeah.
Good job. Yes, very nice. Good job.
Yeah, of course.
Sit up here with your brother.
What
No, you're stressed.
she's stressing herself out. She did this to herself. How upsetting this is. I was just trying to do something nice. She's a stinky baby.
It's just dry skin.
Again, okay, it's gonna be IV injection, and after hopefully we get the popsicle out, we're gonna give medication to prevent more vomiting because we don't want her kind of like vomiting. Okay. And this part is.
She doesn't know nothing.
She knew what she was doing.
She doesn't know any better. Sorry, Steve. Mom, she's a nice baby. Oh. You look like an idiot.
The lady that fucked the kitten, she says that if she finds it, that's like a presentation. This one. Paperwork's not supposed to send it over. Is that a thing?
Yes, because if they're willing to pay for it, that's fine, they can have it, but if she just wants it for all of them.
Relax.
Alcohol. Just
You pay the tax so that he can take advantage of it.
That's like, okay, so the fact that she has no cell phone is not
I need you to stay up.
And let me know when I'm done.
Yeah, then it'll generate a certificate for you. When you type in.
Wait, so is she gonna barf in there?
Yeah.
It's a
You said it's pretty instant?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the first 5
Does it
minutes.
make them have the runs too, or just throws up?
Hopefully not.
The main side effect is just.
It's okay if she runs on the floor.
Okay. I'll try to direct her.
You brought this
Lay down.
upon yourself.
Lay down. No, it was you for not holding it on.
I was holding
Lay down.
it tight.
I'm gonna barf on here.
Look at her stylish armband, Mom. Is that where they gave her the IV? Now we just have to wait for her to throw up. Is it gonna smell?
Yep. It's okay. Getting wobbly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Perfect. Good girl. Hopefully you don't have to throw up a lot. Good girl.
Is the stick in there?
Can you go tell them that she threw it up?
Yeah.
Might want to make a couple more times.
Okay. She was like wobbling. That's normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, Stevie. Oh, at least the stick came out the first time, I guess.
Sorry.
She'll empty out her stomach.
So all the food is gonna come up.
Yeah. I know. It's annoying. I don't think there's a lot of food in there.
Did she throw up again?
How was it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna give her injection to prevent more vomiting.
Okay.
Okay. And you're gonna go home. Just keep close eye on her. Okay. Because I don't know what's the ingredient of the pop seal.
Yeah.
So we can do more than.
Alright, well, we're leaving now. But thank you so much for watching this video. You know what to do. Hit a like and a subscribe.
As you try to jump up.
That hurt her. That hurt me more than it hurt her. Alright, so we are on the way back home. Stevie is fine. She's better now. You guys know what to do. Like, follow. See you in the next video.